Welcome to Shriprati Education online classes. So today we are going to see the next lecture of communication skills, that is effective communication models. So what is communication model? Different authors develop different models at different periods of time for the easy understanding of the process of the communication. So there are several communication models providing for the understanding of the process of the communication easy. Several authors developed it in several ways at several different periods of time when they find the requirement for developing this type of models for the understanding of the communication. So linear model, first is a linear model, second one is an interactional model, third one is the symbiotic or composite model. So first of all, we are going to talk about the linear model. Linear model, this model of communication represents one-way communication. That means one-way communication. It doesn't consider the response or reply from the receiver of the message. इसमें वो consider नहीं करता है कि response or reply आए from the receiver से. It is a one-way communication. Feedback under this type of communication model is not a necessary step to the process of the communication. Feedback is not required for this type of communication, that is a linear model. So linear model does not require any type of feedback from the receiver that the message is to be reached to you or not. Only the sender sends the message. It doesn't want any type of acknowledgement from the receiver, or we can say that not require a feedback from the receiver. One-way communication model is also known as the linear model of communication, as it occurs in a straight line from sender to receiver and serves to inform, persuade, or command. First of all, just like I am giving a command to you, like open the YouTube. So this is only the one-way communication model. This is a straightforward thing that I have told you. Pursuit or command. In this type of communication, information is only transmitted from one point to another or to many points at a single point of time. Like your teacher ordered to you, open the books. So, open the books. Write this onto your notebook. So, this is a one-way communication model. Not to talk to them. So, this is a one-way where I provide the order to you. Point at a single point of time. In this type of communication, information is only transmitted from the one point to the another or to many points at a single point of time. There is no transmission of information from the receiving point. Here the recipient is passive. As I gave you an example of a class, for example, there's a one teacher and so many types of students are there. So teacher gives a very straightforward message to the students, open the books. So the message is transmitted from one person to multiple persons at the same point of time. And here the no response is required from the recipients. So recipients is passive. There is no transmission of information from the receiving point. Here the recipient is passive. One-way communication is mostly used to transmit current information like weather information. Information that is related to the weather is given at the same point of time to many other persons. Information about looming calamities, program and public observation at press conferences and through radio and TV broadcasting. The accurate time and intensity of weather phenomena are transmitted or communicated through the medium of one-way communication. Like in two-way communication, in one-way communication, the sender and the recipient of the information may be not only people but also computers or automatic devices. Here we are not going to talk about true one-way communication is not only dependent onto the pupil. It also include the computers or the automatic devices. Like we give a command to the computer. हम उसमें क्या करते हैं? Open करते हैं. Human gives a command to the computer. So this is a one-way communication. In or some type of automatic devices हम computer mobiles को operate करते हैं. So this is a one-way communication. It consists of the sender encoding a message. ये क्या करता है कि sender encode the message and transmitting it through appropriate channel to the receiver in the presence of the noise. Noise के presence में एक channel के through message को encode करके receiver को देता है और receiver receive करता है in the presence of noise में. साथ में आपको उस channel में बहुत सारे noise भी होते हैं. It assumes that there is a clear-cut beginning and end to communication. ये assume किया जाता है कि clear-cut beginning होगी and end to communication हो जाएगा. The lack of the feedback from the receiver is one of the major drawback of this type of model. The linear model have one of the major drawback is this: there is a no feedback from the receiver side, or we can say that there is no acknowledgement from the receiver side. In this type of model, the sender is the active member and the receiver is the passive one. This type of model, the sender is the active member. Here the sender is the active member and the receiver is the passive one. जो sender है वो एक active member है and the receiver एक passive one है. In this type of communication, the involvement is much more of the sender and the receiver is a passive because they don't give a response in return back. Aristotle model. Aristotle was the first one to discuss the linear model. Aristotle was the first one who discussed the linear model. He developed an easy and simple model to understand the process of communication having just 3 basic elements. Aristotle वो first person थे जिन्होंने linear model के बारे में कुछ discuss किया था और उन्होंने एक बहुत ही easy और simple model की प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन समझाई जिसमें सिर्फ 3 बेसिक एलिमेंट्स थे: स्पीकर, स्पीच और ऑडियंस. स्पीकर जो बोलेगा, स्पीच जो बोलनी है, ऑडियंस जो सुनेगा. So 3 basic elements are provided in the Aristotle model that is provided in the linear model. One-way communication: take these goods to the customer. Customer एक कोई भी मैनेजर कुछ भी है उसने बोला these goods to the customer को दे दीजिए. So this is a one way communication. Message is sent from the sender to the receiver तक पहुंच गया. Receiver has no chance to provide any feedback. Feedback का उसको देने का कोई मतलब उसको वो रहा ही नहीं. मतलब जो receiver था वो एकदम पैसिव हो गया. उसने कुछ भी नहीं दे पाया यहाँ पे. फीडबैक ही नहीं दे पाया कि उसको goods receive हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. ठीक है. So this is called as the one way communication or the linear model. Now Shannon-Weaver model. C. Shannon and W. Weaver developed a model in 1949 in the field of electronic communication. एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कम्युनिकेशन की फील्ड में 1949 में Shannon-Weaver ने एक मॉडल डेवलप किया. Their model was popularly known as a mathematical model बोला गया and to identify the technological aspects of the communication. This type of model identifies the technological aspects of the communication. The model was renamed in 1950s as information model. 1950s में इसको rename किया गया एक information model की तरह. And again discuss the importance of the computer science. फिर computer science की discuss किया. Data processing, cybernetics as a channel for transmission of information in the communication process. ये as a channel used for the transmission of information in the communication process. They gave the following basic elements of the process of communication like source, transmitter, signal, receives, destination. Just a second, I use here a pen for the clear understanding. Source. Message is sent by the source. Transmitter. Signals. Receives. Reach to the destination point. The message is reached to the destination point. This is the Shannon-Weaver model. The source from where the message comes is information. Transmitter, the conversion of message into transmittable signal. Transmitter ने क्या किया कि signals में transmit कर दिया कि किस तरीके से भाई message को send होगा. Then the channel, the mode for transmission. क्या चैनल होगा? मोड फॉर ट्रांसमिशन, रिसीवर, द पर्सन रिकंस्ट्रक्टिंग द मैसेज फ्रॉम द सिग्नल, रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करेगा मैसेज को सिग्नल से। डेस्टिनेशन, द पर्सन और मशीन टू whom the message is intended. Who's that the specific person for which the message is to be intended? Receiver is a specific person, the message is to be intended for that person. So receiver, receive, and the destination we can call it as. Now the Lasswell's model. Lasswell's model क्या है? Harold D. Lasswell developed a linear type model and indicated the important questions like who, what, whom for the first time. His model through ignored the essentials of communication process but identified the major elements in the process of communication by passing several questions. Who, the sender, says what, the message, in what channel, the media, to whom, the receiver, and with what effect. Who, कौन है जिसे मैसेज सेंड किया है? The sender. Which channel is used by him? The media. In what channel? The media. To whom? The receiver. किसको भेजा गया है वो मैसेज? रिसीवर को. And with what effect? क्या इफेक्ट होंगे? तो उनके में who, what वाले शब्द थे लासवेल्स मॉडल में. उन्हें कहा who says what message, in which channel media, to whom the receiver, with what effect. Now the interactional model. Interactional model क्या होता है? Linear model of communication discussed had several limitations, dealt with only one side of the communication. जो linear model of communication है वो deal करता है only from the one side, that is the sender side. No response. This lead to the emergence of the interactional or interpersonal model. This model demanded the sender to ascertain whether his message has been received and understood by the receiver. क्या मैसेज रिसीव्ड हुआ है, समझ में आया है? Feedback under this type of communication model, this is the most important step in the process of communication. तो interactional कब होगा? जब both sides से interaction take place होगा. When the interactions to be taken place between both the sides, either from the source or the destination. Source means sender and the destination means the receiver. So feedback under this type of communication model is the most important phase in the process of the communication. The different important interactional models are discussed here in brief. Berlow's model, David K. Berlow's model is one of the basic model communication process. Under this model, he identified several factors like five senses and associated them with the process of communication. He also indicated the importance of the feedback and noise in the communication process. जब भी हम कहीं भी मैसेज सेंड करते हैं so definitely there is a noise in the air. जो हम कहीं कह सकते हैं उस चैनल और मीडिया वहाँ पे जो हम यूज करें नॉइज तो होती ही है. अगर एक सिंपल एग्जांपल दे, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग ओवर टू द फोन, आप फोन पर बात कर रहे हैं एंड देयर इज सम टाइप ऑफ नॉइज कम्स. बहुत सारी नॉइजेस आती हैं. सोर्स से हमने जब मैसेज को सेंड किया, एनकोड कर दिया मैसेज को, एक चैनल यूज किया, रिसीव किया, डिकोड किया मैसेज को और उसको क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया रिसीवर ने मैसेज को. फिर उसने प्रोवाइड किया फीडबैक, एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट प्रोवाइड कर दिया सेंडर को कि आई हैव रिसीव्ड द मैसेज एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड द मैसेज क्लियरली.
Level-Gallet model. Level-Gallet introduces an element of interaction between the sender and the receiver. उन्होंने भी एक interaction model introduce किया sender के और receiver के बीच में. This model is a type of international model. This is a type of international model बोला गया इसको. Popularly called as new model, जिसको बोला गया popularly इसको क्या बोला गया? इसको बोला गया new model बोला गया. And indicates the entire communication process as it is. एक entire communication process को indicate करता है जिसमें कि transmitter, communication, receiver, feedback. That's why it is called as the elephant interaction between the sender and the receiver. This model is a type of international model. सबसे पहले इसमें ट्रांसमीटर आया। आफ्टर दैट ट्रांसमीटर ने ट्रांसमीटर और रिसीवर, वहां पे सबसे पहले कम्युनिकेशन होगा, फीडबैक होगा, रिसीवर रिसीव करेगा, कम्युनिकेट करेगा ट्रांसमीटर से, ट्रांसमीटर फिर से फीडबैक रिसीवर्स को सेंड कर देगा. So this model also indicate the behavioral aspects of the transmitter and the receiver in handling the messages such as stimulus, interpretation, understanding or perception, persuasion or motivation and action of response. Okay, सबसे पहले रिसीवर ने कम्युनिकेट किया ट्रांसमीटर, ट्रांसमीटर ने ट्रांसमिट किया, फीडबैक प्रोवाइड किया रिसीवर को. सो बिहेवियरल एस्पेक्ट्स को वो कर शो इंडिकेट करता है ये. Transmitter and the receiver to handle the messages such as stimulus, interpretation, understanding, perception, persuasion or motivation and action of response. Now the symbiotic or composite model. Linear and intonational model of communication as discussed above through comprised of various elements in the process of communication but fail to consider an important factor like the relationship between the sender and the receiver of the message. Linear or intonational model of communication as discussed above through comprise of various elements in the process of communication but fail to consider an important factor. एक important factor को consider करने में failed हो गया like the relationship between the sender and the receiver of the message. This lead to the emergence of a symbiotic or composite model of communication. इस emergence को बोला गया symbiotic or composite model of communication. The model emphasizes upon the relational aspects of interpersonal behavior apart from the various factors or elements in the case of the linear and intonational models. ये emphasize किया गया एक relational aspects of interpersonal behavior apart from the various factors or elements in the case of the linear and intonational models. लर्नीज मॉडल आए, इसमें एक टिमोथी लर्नी बोलेंगे जिनको हम, या फिर टिमोथी लर्नी emphasize upon the importance of relations in communication. He developed a paradigm of interpersonal behavior and indicated that a communication exists. उन्होंने बोला कि communication exist है, indicate किया कि communication exists because of the relationship between the sender and the receiver of the message. जो मैसेज का सेंडर और रिसीवर है उनके बीच में जो रिलेशनशिप एग्जिस्ट होता है कम्युनिकेशन का, सो इंटरपर्सनल बिहेवियर पैराडिगम को डेवलप करता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम द रिलेशन डेवलप्स अलोंग टू डायमेंशन एज अंडर. टू डायमेंशन रिलेशन को डेवलप करता है. डोमिनेंस द एबिलिटी ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल कंट्रोल द बिहेवियर ऑफ अनदर. द एबिलिटी ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल कंट्रोल द बिहेवियर ऑफ अनदर. अफेक्शन और अट्रैक्शन, like degree of intimacy by which the sender and the receivers are positively or negatively attracted to each other. Affection भी होता है, attraction भी होता है. Now the Schutz model. Schutz did some research work on the model given by Lerny and added one another dimension. उन्होंने और add कर दिया to the interpersonal behavior में. उन्होंने Schutz ने क्या किया, उन्होंने जो प्रीवियस रिसर्च वर्क हुआ था लर्नीज मॉडल में, उन्होंने एक ऐड कर दिया, एक अनदर डायमेंशन दे दिया टू द इंटरपर्सनल बिहेवियर में. बेयर्ड मॉडल्स. बेयर्ड ऑल्सो डेवलप अ रिलेशनशिप मॉडल. उन्होंने एक और रिलेशनशिप मॉडल डेवलप कर दिया बिटवीन द सेंडर एंड द रिसीवर का. उनका एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव, एक अलग व्यू था. ही एडेड 2 more डायमेंशंस. शूट्स ने तो एक ही डायमेंशन ऐड किया था भैया, but Baird model also add 2 more dimensions. The interpersonal relation include the following addition dimension like time, situation. Okay, so the period for which the relationship between the sender and the receiver exists, and the composite model thus constitutes of the following elements. Following elements like message, transmitter, situation आ गया, the environment in which the communication event occur. Communication events कब occur होंगे, उस environment, situation. The symbiotic or composite model thus constitutes of the following element. उसमें ये elements constitute करे, जैसे कि सिचुएशन में सबसे पहले आ जाते हैं जैसे मैसेज, सेंडर और ट्रांसमीटर, एनकोडिंग, चैनल, रिसीवर और रिसेप्टर्स, मीनिंग, डिकोडिंग, डोमिनेंस, अफेक्शन और अट्रैक्शन, इंक्लूजन और इन्वॉल्वमेंट, टाइम, सिचुएशन. Now we come on to the transactional communication model. Transactional communication model क्या होता है? Transactional simply means the exchange or interaction between people. It is based on the basic premises of exchange or give and take. ये exchange of thoughts, meaning or message, interaction between the people. It is based on the basic premises of exchange like give and take. Hence, the transactional model of communication refers to the exchange of masses or information between the sender and the receiver, where each take turn to send or receive the message. जहाँ पे हर एक को एक टर्न मिलता है to send करो और receive करो मैसेज को, give and take process. This model is the most general model of communication. This is the most general model of communication है as even our daily interaction are instances of transactional model communication. Just some instances that is also from the transitional model communication में से ही होते हैं हमारे, क्योंकि हर एक को टर्न मिलता है, पहले इसने बोला फिर उसने बोला फिर इसने बोला फिर उसने बोला, एक्सचेंज ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन हम डेली में करते ही रहते हैं. सो दिस आर द ट्रांजेक्शनल कम्युनिकेशन मॉडल. ट्रांजेक्शनल मॉडल becomes more efficient and effective है बहुत ही ज़्यादा when the participants are similar of environment. When the participants are belonging from the same environment, then the transactional model provides the communication is much more efficient and effective होता है. Known each other and share some social system. Each person in the process reacts depending upon factors such as their background, experience, attitudes, cultural beliefs, and self-esteem. Proper choice of channel enhances the efficiency and reliability of the communicated messages. Proper choice of channel enhance करते हैं efficiency and reliability of the communicated message पे. This is the transactional model. Sender and the receiver, some type of noise is always there onto the environment में हमेशा ही some type of noise are always present रहती है. Field of experience, channel, message, channel, receivers, and sender. So transactional model. Various elements of business communication. So we will consider the various elements of business communication in our next lecture. Please stay safe at your home during the coronavirus and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates that directly come to your inbox. And if you want to see some other videos, so go to the playlist of Shri Prati Education Online Classes. There you can get some type of Photoshop lectures, research aptitude lectures, so many types of lectures are there. So watch it and stay safe at your home during the coronavirus. Thank you.